Okay, so let's add a little bit more detail. Where are we going to add that detail? Let's go ahead and select this poly right here. Control E to extrude it. I'm going to scale it down and move it up and move it over. One of the keys, and I've said this over and over again throughout tutorials, you've got to keep quads going. We have all quads here, so we're just going to keep that process going. I'll scale this down even more and move it over. I'm basically going to use this to be the eye. Okay, then I'll go over here to Move Points tool. Now I need to be able to move a point out to this cheekbone. So that means I need to add more detail. And my favorite tool for adding detail, Insert Edge Loop. I like to use Insert Edge Loop, and we'll insert edge loops around here when we get the eye detail going. But I'd like to get the overall structure of the face here, and then we'll do that eye out. So there's another tool I don't think I've shown you yet, Mesh Tools. Multicuts, very awesome tool. If I just drag it across like that, it'll create a cut there. I can also select polys and just make cuts like that, which is also a great way to use the tool. I'm just undoing that. I want to basically have a subdivision I can pull up here, and then maybe another one right here. So I'll just multi-cut twice like that. Go back over here, make sure I'm in my selection mode, and I will hit the W key, hit Tweak Marquee tool. Let's go in here and move points around, expert mode, so I can really see what I'm doing. And just like that, I've got a little bit more detail, well, quite a bit more detail in the face. And then I can pull this around and try to match the eye better. Now already we have a poly here that is actually a triangle, and a triangle is not good. So already we're creating problems for ourselves. So you have to be really careful how you add detail. Right here, another problem. See, we don't have a quad there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So it's really important to make sure you're doing quads. It seems unimportant at first, but just trust me on this. You want quads so that your geometry can work. So in the next tutorial, or so real quick, let's fix these problems that we have, and we can use the multi-cut tool for that. So edit mesh. So mesh tools, multi-cut tool. I know that I need another cut right here, like that. And then I can right click. So now this is a quad again. This is a quad. So these are all quads, quad. And this is a triangle though. So what do I do here? I need to make sure that this sucker is, I take that back. This is a quad right here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. We're okay. Good. Okay, I was a little scared there, but it was just the alien looking me in the eye. So we're still good on quads. Awesome. And that makes our job a lot easier. Let's go back to the modeling toolkit. I'm just a little paranoid about not having quads because I've done a lot of face modeling where I didn't have quads and it did not work out well. So Pick Marquee tool, I'm moving that up. The reason I use the Pick Marquee tool when I'm selecting these center points to move them instead of the Tweak tool. So if I go to this Tweak tool, I accidentally pull it apart and then I have to fix it. So instead of that, I go to Pick Marquee and I know I'm just moving it on the axis. Okay, so yeah, our alien doesn't have much detail right now, but we've got the face structure down. Okay, in the next tutorial, we continue adding detail and we refine the face and we go over to this view right here and start giving it volume. I'll see you then.